What's going on, everybody? It's your boy JT Knows Things, and we are back to the Crypto Den. Thank you for tuning in. We are going to cover a probably my favorite topic. What is crypto? Because a lot of people mess this up, and I don't want you having the wrong ideas about what this industry is, what this space is, what this technology is. Before I get into it, I'm going to come over to this screen, do some drawing for you to hopefully make some connections for you. I am Jake Tullis. I go by JT. I run a digital asset hedge fund called Bleeding Edge Capital out of Cincinnati, Ohio. And I have 10 years of software development experience, and I leverage that experience to underwrite this industry, research it, and approach crypto or blockchain from a fundamentals approach. And I take a discretionarily long perspective, and I share it with you all to help you get educated on what this stuff is and hopefully make better decisions. So, in general, and I'm very passionate about this stuff. And if you want to verify or look at my career, feel free to click the banner or just go to Google and type in Jake Tullis. You'll get tons of stuff back. I've been doing this a while. So, with that, let's get on over here. What is crypto? Well, crypto is essentially, put that there. Crypto, okay, well, I'm just bad. So we're going to call this crypto here. That's just a social paradigm. The word crypto does not mean anything outside of it stands for encryption, right? Technology, cryptocurrency. Um, it all refers to the word crypto, which is just encryption. Encryption is just like a password. So whenever you hear the word cryptocurrency, it's like password protected money, is how you could think of it. And the reason why this entire industry is called crypto is because the first cryptocurrency was, in fact, an encrypted money like Bitcoin. Okay. So we got BTC over here. BTC is an actual cryptocurrency. I don't know why that's doing that. I'm sorry. This is a new drawing app. Bear with me here. All right. It's an actual, like, encrypted money. Okay. Bitcoin is one of 3 million. And I'll just show it to you guys. Or 2 point, yeah, okay. 2.4 million. Apologies. There are 2.4 million tokens, 800 exchanges. All right. Bitcoin is one token of millions, and it has a unique property of trying to be a currency. But what you don't know, most likely, is that 99% of the other tokens do not want to be money. They are not trying to be money. People try to make a perspective that they're money, but really what you need to understand is crypto is just a slang term to describe blockchain. Now, you might ask, what is blockchain? Well, that is a database, a data theory. So, right now, the way the world works is you have what's called a monolithic structure, which means, Amazon. Let's say this whole thing is Amazon. The website, the user, the website. So this is like your login, first name, last name, password, email, whatever. The website, you give that information or put that on the regional server that it gets stored to, the long-term storage of that data. Everything essentially is owned by Amazon. One company, one stack, one vertical design. And this is how databases and data storage and data architectures like always worked. You just assume that every node is ran by the same company and that they all have permissions and you have security protocols between them, but they all are owned by one company and all the data is stored in this thing, node to node to node to node to node, right? Sequentially. Well, blockchain comes around and says, what if we had a website at the center of all these different computers. Blockchain is, instead of having it all owned by one company, the token incentivizes volunteers for profits or strangers to go get their own computer, plug it into the wall, and support this network like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is crypto and is a blockchain. You can't have crypto without blockchain, right? But you could have a DLT, which we'll get into. Blockchain is a type of DLT. You can have tons of different DLTs without blockchain or crypto. So this is a very complex thing, but it's computer science, guys. I'm doing my best. For now, all you need to know is instead of having that vertical, structure here, that was Amazon. We've just made all of those computers decentralized, ran by random person A, random person B, random person C, D, E, forever. Ethereum has like 600 something thousand computers doing this. So Bitcoin has, I think, a little less. Either way, you get the idea. No one owns it, and you might own the hardware, but you are basically paying the electric bill to get Bitcoin back that you then can go sell elsewhere. And the token is what incentivizes the network and makes all of us, well, it incentivizes people to go out and support the network, and it just keeps feeding. This is called a network effect, right? If I go and put $1,000 on a device and I make 1,500 year one, right? By year three, I'm going to have two devices, then three, then four, then, and all I have to do is just continuously reinvest to make money myself, and then the network only gets better. It gets more decentralized, more secure, and all this other stuff. So what crypto is, it's a slang term to describe a different way to build networks. That's all it is. That's what crypto is, guys. It's not a currency. It's not a scam. It's simply a new way to build a network. And it was made possible because of SHA-256 encryption, which came out in 2003 by the NSA. After 5, 6 years of tinkering, Bitcoin comes out using SHA-256 for the first time, and that basically allowed all of this to happen, where I can trust Bitcoin because it's so encrypted that no one can get to it. I can put my money on that network and not worry about it being taken, not worry about it being compromised, right? Because in a decentralized network, you would need 51% of every computer. That's a lot. It's billions of computers for Bitcoin. Same with Ethereum. The more devices, the more secure, the more devices you'd need. And then, even if you got access to 51% of all the computers across the globe, from Paraguay to America to Europe, wouldn't matter. Um, you then would need to basically solve the password or decrypt inside of a block, which is 30 seconds, 12 seconds, 5 seconds. So the password changes every block that is made. And it's the most secure place in the world. That's the biggest misconception. If you lost your crypto or got scammed, that's a different thing. You gave your private keys to someone and they took your stuff willingly because you gave them consent to do it. If you never give away your private keys, no one can touch your stuff ever. I promise. It is the safest place, and it's the coolest thing that we've built, I think, in software for a while. Outside of I would say. AI is really cool, but I'll make a video about that stuff later. That was it, though. I have vowed to keep these short for all you ADHDers out there. I respect and love y'all supporting me. Let me know what you think. Ask your questions. I'm here to educate and help you. And until next time, take care of one another. All right. Peace and love, guys. I'll see you.